optional module names. Again, a quick one, but definitely helpful. So let's take a look at a very small example here. I have two different modules. I have a module that deploys an application group. I have a module that deploys a host pool. And I have this main file here where I actually use the modules. So previously, what you had to do with modules is it was mandatory to always define a name like this, which in most cases is convenient because you can explicitly add a human-friendly name. But in some scenarios, you might not want to do it. And I'll explain in just a second why that is. But the new way is just leaving that out like this. So do not specifying a name. So this is not the name of the resource we're deploying. This is the name of the nested deployment where these resources are, as part of these resources are being deployed. Let's take a look at the Azure portal to see the difference there real quick. So if I go to the optional module names, these are the two resources that we deployed. But if we take a look at the deployment history, we can see this view right here. So this is the explicit name that we defined by defining the name of that nested deployment. And these are the ones where I did not define a name. So you can see now is that what they did is they took the resource name and added this unique string to it. The reason is that now, if I want to do a redeployment, I will actually still have access to the previous deployment name as a result, the previous status and output as well. Whereas for this resource, if I would redeploy this with the same deployment name, I will lose all of the history of that other deployment. So this is a great way, although that's a quite a cryptic name that was added to it. It's a great way to have that history as part of your deployments if you're doing multiple deployments in a resource group, which in a lot of cases you might do. That is what this optional module name is essentially all about.